i35equipment.com. Today we're going to be checking out the Edge manual quick attach system. Just showing you how to operate that. It is attached to a machine of many names. It is actually built by Noyson of Wacker Noyson. You may recognize it also as a Gale or a Takeuchi. Edge is also known as a different name. Really popular under the workaround name. Very high quality company that makes great attachments. Like I said, it's manual quick attach, so it's nice. You don't have to fight with pins, but it's not auxiliary hydraulic powered. So right here, got a big bolt with a nut on it. That is just a safety to keep it in place when it's latched on. You simply just remove this nut and bolt, take that out. Once that is out of the way, this hinge is spring loaded. You put a pipe in here, or if you have the tool that came with it, most people don't, and you just give it a good pry, it's gonna release that bottom pin. And like most quick attach systems, that front pin is just you sweep under the front pin and hook up to it. We're gonna actually show it to you working now. See if the video is beneficial to you.